Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to another episode of Culinary Chaos and Deliciousness. Today I'm bringing you a tale of culinary adventure, a journey through the world of Colcannon and mustard fried eggs. Yes, you heard that right. We're diving into the creamy, dreamy world of Colcannon and pairing it with the zesty zing of mustard fried eggs. Now buckle up because this is about to get deliciously ridiculous. You won't believe the flavors and fun we're about to unleash. So picture this. It's a chilly evening and I'm craving something hearty, comforting, and a little bit quirky. Something that warms the soul and tickles the taste buds. Enter Colcannon, an Irish dish that's basically mashed potatoes on steroids. It's the ultimate comfort food with a twist. We're talking creamy mashed spuds mixed with buttery cabbage and spring onions. The combination is pure magic, like a symphony of flavors in your mouth. It's like a warm hug in a bowl, right? The kind of dish that makes you feel all cozy and happy inside. But wait, there's a twist. Because why stop at just delicious when you can make it extraordinary? I thought, why not jazz it up a bit with some mustard fried eggs? The tangy mustard adds a whole new dimension to the dish. And that, my friends, is where the fun begins. The combination of creamy Colcannon and zesty mustard fried eggs is a match made in heaven. First things first, the Colcannon. This dish is all about layers of flavor and texture. I grab my trusty pot and boil some potatoes to oblivion. You want them super soft and fluffy. Meanwhile, I sauté some shredded cabbage and spring onions in enough butter to make Paula Deen blush. The butter is key here, folks. Once the potatoes are done, I mash them up and mix in the buttery goodness. Voila, Colcannon is ready. Now, onto the eggs. This is where things get interesting. The key here is a generous dollop of mustard. It's what gives the eggs that unique, tangy flavor. I crack a couple of eggs into a hot pan and add a spoonful of mustard right on top. The mustard sizzles and infuses the eggs with its bold flavor. The sizzle is music to my ears. It's the sound of something amazing coming together. As the eggs cook, the mustard seeps in, giving them a tangy kick that's just chef's kiss. It's the perfect complement to the creamy Colcannon. Here comes the funny bit. Because what's a cooking adventure without a little chaos? As I'm plating up, my dog, Mr. Paws, decides that he wants in on the action. He's always up for a taste test. He leaps up trying to snag a piece of Colcannon. He's got quite the appetite for good food. In the chaos, I drop an egg mustard side down on the floor. It's a mess, but hey, that's part of the fun. Mr. Paws is over the moon, licking up the mess while I'm left scrambling to salvage my dinner. He's having the time of his life. Finally, I managed to get everything on the plate, and let me tell you, it's worth the hassle. The flavors are out of this world. The creamy Colcannon paired with the tangy, crispy eggs is a match made in foodie heaven. And Mr. Paws? Well, he got his share of the action too. He's one happy pup. So, there you have it, a dish that's as fun to make as it is to eat. It's a little bit of chaos, a lot of flavor, and a whole lot of fun. Give it a try and let me know in the comments if your pets decide to join the party too. I'd love to hear your stories. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more food adventures. Happy cooking, folks. Until next time, keep those taste buds dancing.